Close your eyes. In just 5 minutes, the weight of your stress will dissolve, leaving only calm and peace. This guided meditation is designed to release mental tension, deepen your breathing, and bring you into a calm, peaceful state. In the next few minutes, allow yourself to pause, to breathe, and to release everything that no longer serves you. This short guided meditation is here to help you to let go of stress and reconnect with the peace that already lives within you. Sit or lie down comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands gently and begin to notice your breath. Take a deep inhale through your nose. Hold for a moment and exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale deeply, drawing in calm and light, and exhale, releasing all tensions and worries. With each breath, feel your body softening, your shoulders dropping, your mind becoming lighter and quieter. Now, imagine a soft golden light above your head, gently flowing down into your body. This light carries calm, peace, and healing. As it moves down, feel it relaxing your forehead, your jaw, your neck and shoulders. Let it flow through your chest, your arms, your back, and your legs until your entire body is filled with warm, peaceful light. Silently repeat yourself, I release stress, I welcome peace, I am calm within you. Allow these words to settle deep into your heart. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale, releasing the last bit of tensions. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm, peaceful energy within you into the rest of your day. Remember, peace is always within you, waiting for you to return. Thank you for joining this meditation at Atma Deepam Inner Light. If this guided session touched your heart, please like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon so you won't miss our next journey together.